Collagen and hydration. How do the two relate to each other and how do they work together? These are two very important things. Here's the problem. Collagen is like a matrix in your body. It holds your cells together, your tissues together. That's the one that actually helps you with your lines and wrinkles. So as your collagen stays good, your lines and wrinkles disappear, or as you get older, your collagen breaks down, and this is where lines and wrinkles form. So when lines and wrinkles form, it's telling you from the outside, this is what's also happening inside, where your cells are actually shrinking. And this is what collagen does. It actually holds water. It's a sponge. So when that sponge is getting broken down, the body is not holding water. And when there's no water or no hydration, which is retained by the body, the problems are starting. And this is what happens. So as you age, collagen production drops. When you're young, collagen production is like normal. That's why young people have got nice skin and no lines and no wrinkles. But as you get older, that production drops and it gets broken down, and then those problems happen. So as it gets broken down, the body is not able to be hydrated. So you drink a lot of water, but the body is not retaining the water. Why is it? Because the collagen is actually the problem. You're not retaining the water. So when water is not being retained, your energy production and your metabolism actually drops. So that's why as you get older, people past 50s, 60s, they get very tired very, very fast. It's like their battery. It's like a cell phone. Your battery is full of energy when the cell phone is a young cell phone. But when the phone is about 2-3 years old, you have to recharge the phone 3 or 4 times a day because it runs out. And that's what happens with the body as you get older. It's like your battery is just running out and you have to recharge it, have a power nap and all these things, or you maybe take caffeine, just boost the thing. Why is that? Because the body is not retaining water. So the handling there is to actually help your body make collagen. So this is what the video is about. So when there's hydration, there's less lines and wrinkles. When there's hydration, there will be no cancer, or less hydration, cancer can grow. If there's hydration, it will also helps with prevents heart diseases, and it helps with energy production. And hydration is also necessary for removing waste and for detoxing, because when your body produces energy, there's what is called metabolic waste. That waste has to be removed. If that waste doesn't get removed with hydration and electrolytes, it actually stores energy production. So that's why energy production is low if you're not having enough water to eliminate those toxins. So now you might think, okay, what do I do? Where do I go? Where do I start? So this is what I do. I help people restore their health with nutrition. And with that, I teach them how to do this. I guide you how to do this. So should you take collagen supplements? Maybe you could take collagen supplements. They're very expensive. What other forms of collagen can you get from foods? This is where I help you find that out. I give you a list of all these things. Now, you can take collagen supplements, but what happens is not really going to work because the body needs to be activated to actually produce new collagen. Where is collagen made? There's a cell in the body, all over the body, which is called a fibroblast. The fibroblasts have to receive signals to actually activate and make collagen. So as you get younger, those signals start going lower and lower. There's less and less of those signals. What is the signal? It's called a copper peptide. So the copper peptide called GHKCU is an activation molecule. It actually activates the fibroblasts. So when the fibroblasts are now activated, because at a young age, 20, 30 years old, the fibroblasts are highly activated because there's so much abundance of copper peptide. But as you get younger, as you get older and older, those peptides start dropping and dropping. So the body has receiving less and less signals. So that's why collagen starts breaking down, because it's not being replaced. So when you up your copper peptide, then the fibroblasts receive the signal and they start acting like a young body. So even if you're in your 50s, 60s, or 70s, and your peptides have gone up, the body's thinking, oh, you're like a 30-year-old now. So it activates the fibroblast, new collagen gets made, and next thing you find your lines and wrinkles are going away. What does that mean is that inside your body, the cells are being regenerated as well. The collagen is being regenerated. More water is being retained. And that water retention, I won't say water retention, it's the hydration is helping with the energy production. It's helping with the heart. It's helping with detox and waste. So all that, so your body is getting back to its young age. That's how it's called reverse aging. So how do you do all of this thing? Like I said, where do you start? How do you do it? What are the doses? What are the food sources? I offer a free 30-minute health consultation. You can click on the link and book your free health consultation, and we will go over the materials with you. You will tell me your story, and then I will guide you on a step-by-step journey on how to bring your health back. Subscribe and follow to my channel. And when you subscribe and follow, you will actually get more and more information as I do it, or you go to my channel and there's a wealth of information which you can read and listen to. And also share the information. If you've had gains out of it and you feel you've learned something out of it and you feel some other person would need to know, your friend, your loved ones, share that with them. So thank you for listening, and I hope to work with you, and I hope you'll be learning a lot from me as well and living a better quality of life.